Good morning, student. Now I teach you some general properties of divisibility. Very important. This is the very important. You learn it very carefully. Already we know the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 11, etc. Now I give the some special divisibility rule of the numbers. Number 1, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factor of that number. If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factor of that number. That means what? Suppose 312. 312 divisible by 6, no? Therefore, factor of 6 is what? 3 into 2 is 3 into 2. Therefore, 312 is divisible by 3 and 312 is divisible by 2 also. Now here see 105 is divisible by suppose 15. Okay? Because we see, you can see 105, suppose see 105 divided by 15. 7, na? Is divisible by 15. Therefore, 105 divisible by 15. Therefore, 105 divisible by 15 factor of 15 is what? 5 into 3. It individually divisible by 5 and individually divisible by 3 also. Understand? That means what? Which if any number divisible by another number, then this number is divisible by individually of the product of that number. Number 2, if a number is divisible by each of the 2 or more co-prime number, then it is also divisible of their product. We know na one divisibility rule we know 6. 6 is divisible 6 is the divisibility rule of 6 is what? Which number is divisible by 3 and 2 both? This number is divisible by 6 also, because 3 and 2 are co-prime number and 3 and 2 are factor of 6. That is why which number is divisible by 3 and 2, that number is divisible by 6 also. Now you see 324 is divisible by 4, because this is 24 is divisible by 4, this is the divisible by 4, and this divisible by 9 also, because 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. The sum of the number is 9. That means this number is divisible by 9 also. Therefore, 4 and 9 are co-prime. Co-prime means what? Common factor of 4 and 9 is 1 only. That means 4 and 9 are co-prime. So, 4 and 9 equal to what? 36. Therefore, 324 is divisible by 36 also. Because 4 into 9 is 36, therefore, this is 325 is 36. Now you see, suppose 72. 72 is divisible by 8 and 72 is divisible by 6. But 72 is not divisible by 48, because 8 and 6 are not co-prime. Not co-prime means common factor of 8 and 6 is 1 and 2 both. Therefore, 8 and 6 are not co-prime. So, the multiple of, not 7 here, 8. 8 and 6, 8 6 are 48. This is the not divisible by 72. Now you see 4220 divisible by 4, because last 2 digit is 20, this is divisible by 4. That means the whole number is divisible by 4. And last this value is 0. Therefore, this is divisible by 5. 4 and 5 are co-prime. That means common factor 4 and 5 is 1. Therefore, 420 is divisible by 4 into 5 equal to 20 also. You can say 420 divided by 20, we get 21. So, this understand now? Now, another method, another also. Here you see, if a number is a factor of two given number, then it is the factor of their sum and it is the factor of their difference. Suppose 35 is divisible by 5 and 25 is divisible by 5. Then sum of this number is 60. 60 is also divisible by 5. And difference is what? Difference is 10. 10 is also divisible by 5. Similarly, 27 is divisible by 3. 18 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, sum of the 27 and 18 is what? 45. 45 is also divisible by 3. And difference is what? 27 minus 18 equal to 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. Understand na? Very easy. But very, very important properties is this one. If a number is divisible by each of the two or more co-prime number, then it is divisible by their product. You remember this one very, very carefully. Okay. Now, exercise 3.4, question number 6. Question number 6 is what? A number which is divisible by both 5 and 12, by which number will that numbers be always divisible? That means what? Now, a number is divisible by 5 and 12. 5 and 12 are co-prime because 5 common factor of 5, 1 into 5, factor of 5 is 1 and 5. Factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. But common factor is 1. That means 5 and 12 are co-prime. Therefore, 5 into 12 equal to 60. That means what? Which number is divisible by 5 and 12? This number is divisible by their product 60. Already told that any number, if the co-prime, then their product also divisible that number. Now 7, question number 7. A number is divisible by 12 and which other number divisible by that number? That means 12 equal to 3 into 4. 3 and 4 are co-prime because common factor in 3 and 4 are only 1. That means 3 and 4 are co-prime. Therefore, which number is divisible by 12? This number is divisible by also 3 and 4 also.